Don't think for a moment I never felt the pain. You can't imagine the hurt and the shame. They put the nails through my hands, pierced my side.
Verse 16, led by Isaac said, round of applause for our heavens.
Michaela Esina William. Oh, I appreciate her. Michaela. Did you see her in prayer picture? Yes. She has grown so tall. God bless your journey, lady. God bless you, Felicitas.
All right, so on the count of 3, let's send those caps into the sky. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! For our graduates, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the official graduating class of 2026.
It wasn't easy.